Heidi-ho, and welcome back to another day in the life. It's been a little while since I've done a garage update. You may remember last time there wasn't a wall there. There was a wall here, and there certainly was not a roof there. So a lot has happened since the last garage update, if you will. There's this here, which is soon going to be a staircase and a porch under here, which that's rather cool. There's this here, which is going to be the breezeway, which if you don't know, that's where you dump your shoes and your coats. See, it's already marked out with the rug. So that sits there and you dump your shoes here. And then the other thing that has been added is this, a staircase. All the way up to here. This is the upstairs. Nothing has changed except for the fact that this staircase is here. See this? Like that. You walk down the stairs. Oh, Jesus Christ, you scared the hell out of me. Hi, what are you doing? Okay. Yeah, so you can walk down these stairs here. And now you're in the formal garage part. So there's all this space here. Like that. And then you can see under here, under the stairs here, this is actually going to be the apartment where our grandfather is going to be living. He's you know, he's very modest. He doesn't need anything. He just wants just enough room for a bed. So he's going to be living under the staircase here, which that's actually pretty spacious as far as a staircase house goes. No, okay, I'm just kidding around. That's going to be like storage or something, because you can see there's like a lot of space under there. So that's going to wind up being storage or something of that nature. And our grandfather's actually going to be living up top here. Let's give it one more peek, one more look at the top, one more look up here. There it is, boys and girls. That's the upstairs. What do you think? You must like it. That must be why you're out here, huh? Yeah. And, you know, I figure give you a little peeky pop. Figure I give you a little look of the outside here. Don't look at my rusty bumper. That's scary. So yeah, this here is connected to the house now, as you can see, which that's neat. And then that's the garage. And now we'll go look at it from the back. Come around here. Huh, dog? Huh, Gracie? You crazy mutant? Where's Bandy? There's the other crazy mutant. And we come around this side here. Look at all these ladders. This is our very luscious ladder collection. That's pretty sweet. And then right here, this is what it looks like from the backside. That hole there is eventually going to be a door. And this deck is eventually going to be extended all the way out to here. But that's pretty neat. And see up there on the roof? See those windows right there? Those are my bedroom windows. So I'll go up into my bedroom and we'll climb out on the roof and see what it looks like. Also, by the way, Carter just bought this three-wheeler. That's pretty cool. I like things with 3 wheels. I like things with 4 wheels. I like things with 2 wheels. I like things with wheels. So, we're gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna show you one really cool aspect of having the new breezeway right there. Okay? Okay, are you ready for this? This is gonna be epic, okay? See this window right here? See, we use the one on Calvin's bed because I don't want to have to climb over my desk, and Calvin's window's right here. So all you gotta do is open this. Let me set you guys down for a second. And then what you're gonna wanna do is go like that. And same thing on the other side. And voila! Guys, I'm sneaking out of my house right now. My parents don't know. Because technically I'm supposed to be in bed right now. But I'm sneaking out of my house. This is like a really tricky thing to do. Because my parents are sleeping downstairs, and so I have to sneak out through this window onto this roof. So watch me sneak out. It's gonna be scary. Okay, here goes nothing, guys. Here I go. Here it goes. Oh boy, we're on a roof. Oh Lord, oh my God. No, Gracie, you don't need to sneak out. You're a dog. Dogs don't have to sneak out. They just run away when they want to. Gracie, you're on the freaking roof. Gracie, no. Okay. Gracie is legitimately on the roof right now. What are you doing? Go back inside. This is not safe. No. In. Go in. Well, she listened. But yeah, look at this. I'm on the roof. Ooh, that's weird. But that's pretty cool, right? We're on top of the roof here. And that could have been bad. But it wasn't. So, you know what they say? No alarm, no foul, right? That's what they say on the television these days. I'll just leave that there. But yeah, you could actually sneak out if you wanted to. Not that I would ever have to, really, but I'm just saying if you wanted to, you could. 'Cause you'd sneak out down to here, and then once the deck is built off the backside there, I don't want to get close to the edge because it makes me nervous, but once the deck is built off the backside there, you'll probably be able to like reach the deck from here, like with hardly any drop. So that'll be cool. All right, I'm gonna get off the roof now and go back inside. So, oh wait, somebody's driving by. What's this? Somebody's driving by. Anyway, that was the garage update of September 5th. That was the garage update of September 5th, 2016. That was the garage update of September 5th, 2017. That's how it is right now. And yeah, did I say September? It's September 5th. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm losing my mind here. It's probably from the high altitude. I can barely breathe.